Hi, my name is Andy. I'm an appliance guy. My videos will be on how to diagnose and repair common issues on a GE side-by-side refrigerator. If you happen to own one, be sure to subscribe. This way you can stay on top of the newest information, and you're also notified whenever I upload new videos. My channel is geared towards the do-it-yourselfer, somebody who maybe wants to save money, or maybe you're just curious on how your refrigerator works. Either way, you're in the right spot. I also like to keep the tools that I use as basic as possible. So, likely they're going to be things that you already have around the house anyhow. The most specialized one I can think of is a multimeter. Even the cheapest one will work fine. It just has to be able to do ohms of resistance and measure voltages. Questions are welcome. So if you find something I didn't cover, or you want additional information, just leave a comment. I'll do my absolute best to get your question answered. I'm so glad you're here. Be sure to say hello, and I look forward to getting to know you.